Good morning, Bears. I'm Karina. Welcome to your BTV announcements. Today is Wednesday, March 19th, and it's time to get back into it for this last grading period. Once more, kudos to our Brennan bowlers who competed at the regional competition, especially to Lady Bears team member Kaitlyn Toney, who advanced to state as regional champion in the singles competition. She dominated the competition with a 215 average. State competition is Sunday, March 30th at 8:30 a.m. at the Bandera Bowling Center. BFND, Kaitlyn. Also, before the break, our theater Thespians took their one-act play to the UIL competition. Unfortunately, Brennan did not advance onto the next round, but kudos for the hard work that actors, directors, and cast members put in. Continue to break a leg. Remember, cheer tryouts begin today through Friday. If you have any questions, please contact Sarai Arredano at nisd.net. Also, the dance and drill team tryout packages will not be accepted after next Monday, so get in it this week. The tryout clinic is April 1st through the 3rd, and tryouts are April 4th. Tomorrow, the class of 2026 will hold a fundraiser at Raising Cane's on Culebra. Be sure to mention Brennan so they can get 15% of the sales. You can also support Brennan Fashion at Menchie during their Spirit Night tomorrow from 5 p.m. to 8 p.m. at Menchie's on Loop 1604. Remember, mention Brennan when paying. The Brennan Mariachi Club is looking for singers, violinists, and guitarists to join the group this spring. Practice will be on Fridays from 4:30 to 6:30 p.m. The group will perform at several campus events. If interested, please visit sponsor Elizabeth Sosa in room E2-7 or co-sponsor Zuli Gutierrez in room E143. Love comic books and storytelling? Show us who you are in comic book style for a chance to win prizes and have your artwork showcased at NerdWannaCon on March 26th. The deadline for the Find Yourself poster contest is March 25th. For more details, send the email to brennanptsa@gmail.com. Teachers, if you'd like a BHS Fashion Shirt because you missed out on the first time around, scan this QR code to shop online for BHS Fashion and FCCLA swag. You need to order by April 2nd. Interested in working this summer? Tomorrow there will be a virtual job fair hosted by Joint Base San Antonio. Positions include lifeguards, clerical staff, recreation aides, and laborers at JBSA Lackland, JBSA Fort Sam Houston, JBSA Randolph, and JBSA Canyon Lake. Scan this QR code to register. Finally, kudos once more to our 4th annual ALE Talent Show performance. It took place right before spring break. ALE students sang, danced, displayed their artwork, and even the jazz band accompanied one of their members on stage. Thanks to all who packed the auditorium to show how Brennan embodies the spirit of inclusion and kindness. I'm Karina signing off from BTV. Have a great day, keep a positive mindset, stay engaged in your learning, and evolve every day. Do well this last grading period.
This is a BTV production.